Welcome to another new video. Today we'll look at how to develop a data-driven strategic plan for PV projects. Can you imagine being able to make informed strategic decisions at every stage of the project? From planning through to operation and maintenance, data is the key to maximizing the success of any solar project. Let's discover how you can leverage data intelligence to create a solid strategic plan and optimize every aspect of your PV project. A data-driven strategic plan uses information gathered throughout the project lifecycle to guide decision-making. This includes analysis of historical data, risk assessment, and proactive planning to achieve project objectives. Data collection and analysis. The first step is to collect relevant data from the planning phase through to operation. This includes technical, financial, market, and operational data. Definition of strategic objectives. Based on data analysis, clear and achievable objectives are defined. These may include maximizing energy production, reducing operating costs, or achieving a specific return on investment. Data-driven strategy development. Specific strategies are designed to achieve these objectives, using tools such as predictive analytics, proactive maintenance, and financial optimization. A well-structured, data-driven strategic plan allows you to anticipate problems and seize opportunities to maximize the success of your solar project. To develop a data-driven strategic plan, it is essential to have the right tools and methods to collect and analyze information. Let's look at some of the most important ones. SCADA monitoring systems. SCADA systems allow real-time data collection on plant performance, module efficiency, inverter status, and other critical parameters. Financial management software. Tools such as RET Screen or PVSYST allow to assess financial viability and perform economic scenario analysis to optimize the financing structure of the project. Big data and AI platforms. Platforms such as Google Cloud or AWS offer big data and artificial intelligence solutions for advanced data analysis, enabling the identification of patterns and the generation of accurate predictions. With these tools, you can efficiently collect and analyze data, providing you with the information you need to make evidence-based strategic decisions. Developing data-driven strategies allows you to optimize every aspect of your PV project, from planning to operation. Here are some key strategies. Production optimization strategies. Analyzing historical and real-time data allows adjustment of operational parameters such as panel tilt and orientation, as well as optimizing the use of storage systems to maximize energy production. Proactive maintenance strategies. AI-based predictive analytics can anticipate failures and plan maintenance before they occur, reducing downtime and extending equipment life. Financial optimization. Financial scenario modeling helps you evaluate different financing and operational strategies, ensuring that the project remains profitable over time. Implementing these data-driven strategies will enable you to improve the operational and financial performance of your project, ensuring its long-term sustainability and success. Once the strategic plan has been developed, the next step is its implementation and ongoing monitoring. This involves establishing a clear framework for monitoring and evaluation. Definition of KPIs. Key performance indicators (KPIs) are metrics that allow you to measure progress towards strategic objectives. These can include energy efficiency, equipment availability, and return on investment. Monitoring automation. SCADA systems and advanced analytics platforms allow the automation of KPI monitoring, generating real-time alerts and recommendations based on plant performance. Review and continuous improvement. The strategic plan should be reviewed periodically to adapt it to changes in the market, technological advances, or variations in operating conditions. Continuous improvement is key to maintaining the project's competitiveness. Effective monitoring and continuous improvement ensures that the strategic plan remains aligned with project objectives, adapting to changing market needs. Developing a data-driven strategic plan for PV projects allows you to maximize operational and financial efficiency, minimize risks, and take advantage of opportunities. If you want to know how to apply these strategies to your project, contact me on LinkedIn. I will be happy to help you create a solid and effective strategic plan for your solar plant. With a data-driven approach, you can take your solar project to the next level of success and sustainability. Don't wait to create your strategic plan.